Hello guys, this is the second part of our video. Previously we had done three questions which were simple and easy, you can see, but now we are going to solve a little hard one. Not too much hard, it is very much hard. So as previously we have learned, first taking out the HCF of the constant, that is 16 and 24. You can clearly see, you can have some rough work also, but I don't need here. First we will take 18 sorry 8 here. Then we can see 8 square, and here AB. So I can see A is present in both the terms, and in the previous one I have said that we will take the least power. So A, we will take 8A and start the bracket. 2, as A square is there, 2A, then minus 3B. So it is solved. I told it is simple and easy. Let's go to the next question. Our next question is 15ab square minus 20a square b. Now how to solve this? First we will take the HCF. We can clearly view it as 5. Then a square and b square are there, so the least power is ab we will take, and here we are taking two variables. So first we will write 15 divided by 5 is 3. Then a and a will get cross out, and b squared and b will be b. Then the minus sign will come here. Then this will be 4, and it will be a. So it is again done. So in the next part, it is 12x square y cubed minus 21x cubed y square. So our, and we can view it 12 and 21. Again it's 3. Then x, we will take the least term, x square. Here we all are taking a and b, but in this case I can see the least term is x square, so I will take x square, not x. So and again we will take y square from here. So we will take this, and then 4. We will x square and x square will get cancelled out, and then y minus 7x. So we are done. Thank you for watching. The link of the third part will be uploaded. Sorry guys, I have to inform you one thing, I forgot. Let us do some more questions of like this only. One example was 24x cubed minus 36x square y. So how could we do, how can we do this? Here let us view it. 24 and 36, we will take, the HCF is 12. Then we will take as 3 x to the power 3, and here x to the power 2 is there, so x to the power 2, but y is there, y is not here, so we will not take y here. We will start the bracket, then 2x minus 3 x square and x square will get cancelled, 3y. So we are done here. Then again again here our next question is 10x to the power 3 minus 15x to the power 2. This thing equals to 5 here. No, not 5, sorry, I also made a mistake. 5 is of these common, then x square we will take as common, then we will multiply. Let us cross out this. Then we will not multiply, we will write it that 2x minus 3. So we are getting the answer like this. Let us do the third question. The third part is 36x to the power 3y minus 60x square y cubed z. Sorry, I wrote it like this. Okay. Here we are getting as these two terms. Now upon 36 and 60, the LCM is 12, then x square, then y, because x square is the minimum power, y is the minimum power, and z is not here, that's why. Then minus, sorry, not minus, the bracket will come here, bracket 3x, then y will get cancelled out, minus 5 x square, and y square z will come here. Okay, then we are done now. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. The part 3 link will be uploaded in the description.